We are trying to find anything around here. Like, it's pretty, don't get me wrong, but there are no restaurants really or shops or nothing. Hi guys! Yesterday I had an evening flight, so we had a flight from London Luton to Olbia in Sardinia, and then we took a taxi from Olbia to Portisco. We are on the Dufour 335, so 33.5 feet. We have quite a large sail, which I'm very excited about, because that means hopefully we'll be able to sail really well, and I think the wind predictions are quite nice as well, so hopefully we'll be able to sail quite fast to different places. So a dinghy, I think we want to lower it down a bit. And that's the harbour. That's a pretty decent harbour. I did a day skipper course over the summer, which I couldn't film, so I filmed all my sailing in Greece and stuff, but then I couldn't film anything of my day skipper course. But now basically I can charter any yachts or any catamarans or sailing boats. We got here really late last night, so we have to check in today, this morning. I have to show my license, my day skipper license, so then I'm allowed to actually rent this boat. The weather is looking a bit cloudy right now, but it's still early in the morning. It's the 28th of October, which means it's quite a late season as well, so the weather is not amazing, but it's supposed to be nice and warm. It's supposed to be 20 to 25 degrees here. Literally 6 degrees yesterday, 5 to 6 degrees in England, so it would be really nice if we can get any 20 degrees weather. We don't really have a plank, like this is our plank, and I don't want to risk it because it's not the most stable right now. I don't want to risk it and go. I'm gonna give you a quick tour around our boat. I think it's quite a bit more spacious than the boat we had in Greece, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, here we just have a kettle. I think underneath here we have a stove, oven. Over here, well, here are plates and bowls, glasses. Oh, we have tea and coffee. That's my dad's bedroom or cabin. The bathroom here, nice and clean. Our navigation panel, radio, and also GPS navigation panel here. Have to go now? Oh, we have this Corsica North Sardinia book with all the charts, with all the maps and places. I love these books. Like whenever you want to stop somewhere for lunch or you don't know which marina to choose, they tell you all the different information about all the harbours. So that's nice to have. Then we have more charts. These are the planning charts. And then this is my cabin. This marina is actually huge. I didn't realize it's like never ending. We are trying to find the office so we can check in and stuff. And this marina, we can't even find the office. We are trying to rush because I think we are a little late. So after wasting 40 minutes on trying to find the Sun Charter office, which said was at the dock 4, finally one of them picked up and they said dock 7. Presume it's at the other side because we are actually parked at dock 0.
Time we arrived yesterday? It was about just before 9 o'clock.
The man from Sun Charter, he came over, he explained where everywhere was on the boat and stuff like that, but it started raining. It's actually raining quite badly now, so I put a jacket on And yeah, it's a bit of a shame because it's our first day and we want to make the most of it and we want to sail and have fun, but it's raining. I think he will be back to bring us a bottle opener and a corkscrew because we are missing those. And then yeah, we are off. I think we have to plan where we are going first because I don't think we can do as far of a sail as we hoped just because of the weather conditions. We have an autopilot here as well, which I'm so excited about. It will be nice to just chill if we can sometimes and put autopilot on. With the dinghy, everything seems quite nice and spacious and we seem to have pretty much all the inventory that we couldn't find. Good to go. But look at the weather. It's raining. Oh no. I really hope it stops this afternoon though, hopefully. We'll see, but fingers crossed. Stopped raining, but now we should get going, yeah, we're just waiting for the man. I've not really done much vlogging today just because of how intense it was, and it's crazy to think it right now because we have such a lovely weather. It's evening now. Oh gosh, I have no idea where we are.
We're across this big from
Porto Rotondo. We are in Porto Rotondo right now, so not far from Portisco at all. And the reason for that was the weather. It was really rough. And basically what happened, I lost control of the steering twice. It was partly my fault because I didn't put any reefs in, or I didn't request for any reefs to be put in. And I was sailing at about 6.5, 7 knots, and all of a sudden it gone up to 9 knots with no reefs, and I just completely couldn't do anything, and I lost control of it. Then I thought I had my control back, then I thought, oh, we'll be fine. I've got this, we can still sail, because we are planning to sail to Porto Rotondo, which is one of the most expensive but apparently luxurious and beautiful places to sail in the world. Like, honestly, I googled Porto Rotondo and said something like 5 most expensive harbors or 5 most expensive marinas in the world, and yeah, we were planning to go there. But then after I lost control twice of the boat, our Genoa also, because I don't know if you could see earlier, our dinghy is tied at the front, so we had this dinghy, we lowered it down a bit, but still the Genoa got caught in the dinghy. We couldn't even furl it, so the wind was really strong, but we couldn't furl the Genoa. We couldn't do anything with it, we couldn't furl it, and the conditions were very bad, so we decided to go back to Portisco, and now we are just in the harbour very close by, and we are staying here overnight. So yeah, that's why I didn't really film much. Plus it was raining really badly, I couldn't even have my camera out. The yacht was tilting quite badly. But now let's explore. You find that you sailed a lot more than I did. Not here. We are trying to find anything around here. Like, it's pretty, don't get me wrong, but there are no restaurants really, or shops or nothing. Usually, especially by the marina, you have a lot of restaurants, a lot of shops, souvenir shops. So yeah, we are trying to find a supermarket at least, you know, so we can get some food, because last night we got there so late that we couldn't get anything. We're basically walking around the entire marina. We still can't find any shops. Still marina. That's crazy. It's like never ending. I don't think we're gonna eat tonight, guys. So we couldn't find anywhere to eat. I found supermarkets on Google Maps, but they were all shut, and all the restaurants pretty much. So
Well, was that restaurant?
I think there was one restaurant that we'll try. We haven't managed to find any shops or even restaurants. Instead, we have to eat dry white bread with nothing, just the bread
With beer.
with beer. How bad is that? We literally couldn't find any food. I really hope tomorrow we'll actually do some decent sailing. The weather will maybe be better and I'll manage to film more. But yeah, thanks guys. Good night.